recently ordered a camera bag or a camera case from Wish to give my gear a bit more protection. Here's the ad, and what's turned up is quite surprising. This is actually a Wish win, not a fail. Much bigger than I expected. They do give you the measurements, but the amount of times those measurements are wrong. Quite a lot of the advertising on Wish is very deceptive. This has been quite a win. So what's turned up fairly strong, and it helps to stop scratching of lenses. Often I just throw these action cameras into my bag and this lens is not protected, so it could conceivably get scratched. So what's turned up is this pull-out foam. So you've got little, I don't know if you can see that, little squares of foam, and the idea is to put your gear in where you want it and then rip the foam out. So I'll show you how to do that. First thing I want to do, I don't care if this case gets scratched. I'm more concerned about the lens, because that's obviously where the images are being captured from, and the back screen. So what I want to do is sort these out and put them in positions where they're nice and protected and are not going to get any further damage. So I may even put them down. I might just do a bit of a time lapse here and show you how I've got the rest of the gear that's reasonably sensitive, and how to put gear in these pull apart square packing arrangements. So I've got the two cameras and the two lights in just to give you a demo. Hey, good news, if you mess up, this stuff is fairly readily available from possibly hardware stores, craft stores. Definitely if you're in Australia, Clark Rubber will sell you squares or patterns of this, and you can give it another go. I don't know if there's be any use for the stuff that's left over, but I'm actually going to see if I can take one middle layer out, or just put a couple of, just a strip here, just to protect the lenses themselves, because I've put them face up because they just look a bit tidier that way, and that'll still go down. So I think I might be creative, because I don't have anything to put in there at the moment, and I'll just put these in there just to protect the lenses. So there we go. This was one of my Wish successes. Thumbs up on this one. I think I'll give it a 5, because it does exactly what I expected it to do. It was bigger than I expected it to be, and I'm quite happy. Well done. Thanks for watching.